Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at the best washing machines that make laundry day a breeze. From high-efficiency front loaders to compact models perfect for small spaces, these machines offer powerful cleaning, energy savings, and smart features to keep your clothes fresh and clean. Let's dive in and find the perfect washer for your home. And as always, all product links are in the description below. Number 5. Auertech Washing Machine. The Auertech portable washing machine offers a high-capacity twin-tub design, allowing users to wash and spin clothes at the same time. With a total capacity of 28 pounds, it features an 18-pound washer and a 10-pound spinner, making it suitable for households with frequent laundry needs. The compact and lightweight structure ensures easy placement in apartments, dormitories, and recreational vehicles. Its top-load access location provides convenience, while the transparent window allows users to monitor the washing and spinning process. This semi-automatic washer operates efficiently, reducing water and energy consumption. Equipped with a powerful 1,300 revolutions per minute motor, this washer delivers fast and effective cleaning performance. The adjustable inlet hose allows easy water filling, while the built-in drain pump ensures hassle-free water drainage. The separate control knobs provide users with the flexibility to set different washing and spinning times according to their laundry requirements. Number 4. Giantex Washing Machine. The Giantex portable washing machine is a compact and fully automatic laundry solution designed for small living spaces. With an efficient space-saving design, it is perfect for apartments, recreational vehicles, and dormitories. The top-load access location ensures easy loading, while the built-in drain pump simplifies water drainage. This washer offers 6 different washing programs, allowing users to choose the best cycle for different types of clothes. The 3 adjustable water levels provide flexibility based on laundry load size. The lightweight design makes it easy to move and store, making laundry hassle-free even in tight spaces. Equipped with a durable honeycomb tub, this washing machine provides a gentle yet effective wash while accommodating up to 8 pounds of laundry per load. The stainless steel construction enhances durability, preventing rust and wear over time. The push-button control panel ensures straightforward operation, making it easy for users to select and adjust settings. The washer's full automatic function allows users to start a wash cycle and focus on other tasks while the machine completes the job. Number 3. Hamilton Beach 2.1 cubic feet washing machine. The Hamilton Beach 2.1 cubic feet portable washer is a practical and efficient laundry solution for small spaces. With a spacious and compact design, it can handle larger loads while maintaining a small footprint. The washer features a top-loading design that allows easy access for loading clothes, towels, and bedding. Its lightweight structure and built-in wheels make it easy to move and store when needed. The stainless steel finish enhances durability, ensuring long-term use without rust or damage. The washer's transparent lid provides a clear view of the washing process, allowing users to monitor their laundry easily. Equipped with an intuitive LED control panel, this washing machine offers simple and user-friendly operation. The electronic controls feature a one-touch readout, enabling users to select and adjust wash cycles effortlessly. Number 2. Black & Decker 0.9 cubic feet washer. The Black & Decker 0.9 cubic feet portable washer is a compact and efficient solution for small living spaces. With a lightweight and portable build, it is ideal for homes, apartments, and dormitories. The washer includes 5 wash cycles, allowing users to choose the right setting for different fabric types. The top-load design with a transparent lid makes it easy to monitor the washing process. This washing machine operates with cold water only, offering 3 water level choices to accommodate various load sizes. The compact design allows easy placement in tight spaces, making it a practical choice for everyday laundry needs. Built with a durable stainless steel tub, this washing machine is designed to resist rust and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance. Number 1. COMFEE 1.6 cubic feet washing machine. The COMFEE 1.6 cubic feet portable washing machine is a great choice for those looking for a space-saving and efficient laundry solution. With its compact, design-perfect fit, it easily fits in small spaces like apartments, recreational vehicles, and dormitories. The washing machine offers a fully automatic operation, making it convenient to use. It includes 6 different wash programs, allowing users to choose the most suitable setting for their laundry needs. The top-load design with a clear lid makes it easy to monitor the washing process. This washer provides excellent cleaning performance while maintaining a simple and user-friendly interface. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.